Toyota isn't just a car company. It's a global symbol of reliability, precision, and innovation. But how does Toyota turn raw metal into some of the most trusted cars on Earth? Today, we're going inside Toyota's legendary manufacturing process. What we uncover might just change the way you look at your car forever. It all starts with a simple concept: the Toyota Production System, or TPS. This isn't just a set of rules, philosophy, a way of life inside these walls. Born from the minds of Kiichiro Toyota and Taiichi Ono, TPS is built on two core pillars: just-in-time and Judoka. Just-in-time means making only what is needed, when it is needed, and in the amount needed. This eliminates waste, reduces inventory costs, and makes the whole system incredibly efficient. Think of it like a perfectly choreographed dance, three, where every part arrives at the assembly line at the exact moment it's required. No more, no less. The second pillar, Judoka, translates to automation or automation with a human touch. It empowers every single worker to be a quality inspector. If a problem is detected, anyone can pull a cord, and done cord, to stop the entire production line. This ensures that defects are caught and fixed immediately, preventing them from moving down the line. It's a radical idea, stopping production to improve it. But it's this very principle that guarantees Toyota's legendary quality. Now, let's walk through the factory floor. Our journey begins in the stamping shop. Here, massive presses, some exerting thousands of tons of force, transform giant rolls of steel into the distinct body panels of a car: the doors, the hood, the roof. It's loud, it's powerful, and it's incredibly precise. Each panel is stamped with millimeter accuracy to ensure a perfect fit later on. After stamping, these panels move to the body shop. This is where the car starts to take shape. A ballet of over 1,000 robotic arms performs a high-speed, high-precision dance. Sparks fly as they weld the stamped panels together, forming the car's skeleton, known as the body in white. The accuracy here is critical. A deviation of even a fraction of a millimeter can affect the car's safety, aerodynamics, and even how the doors close. Laser scanners and advanced sensors continuously check the robot's work, ensuring every weld is perfect. This is Judoka in action: machines, monitoring themselves. With the body assembled, it's time for some color. The car enters the paint shop, one of the most technologically advanced parts of the factory. The process is multi-layered to ensure a durable and flawless finish. First, the body is dipped into a series of cleaning and anti-corrosion baths. This is crucial for long-term rust prevention. Then, robotic arms apply layers of primer, base coat, and clear coat with electrostatic precision. This method ensures an even coat while minimizing paint waste. The air in the paint booths is filtered to be cleaner than an operating room to prevent even the tiniest dust particle from marring the finish. Be twist between each coat. The car passes through massive ovens to bake the paint on, creating that signature glossy, hard-wearing Toyota shine we all recognize. Now we move to the heart of the factory, the assembly line. This is where the painted body meets thousands of other components. The line is constantly moving, guided by the just-in-time principle. Parts are delivered to workstations in small, precise batches, often by automated guided vehicles or GVs. The car body is mounted on a conveyor, and as it moves, teams of skilled workers, or team members as Toyota calls them, begin their tasks. One team might install the entire dashboard module, pre-assembled nearby. Another will fit the wiring harness, the car's nervous system, the engine transmission, a unit often called the powertrain, are raised from below and bolted into place in a matter of seconds. This seamless integration is what Toyota calls heijunka, or production leveling. It means they can build different models with different specifications on the same line, one after the other, without missing a beat. This flexibility is key to meeting diverse customer demands efficiently. 4. What really makes the Toyota production system special is its deep respect for people. TPS isn't about replacing humans with robots. It's about empowering humans with better tools and processes. Every team member is trained to perform multiple tasks and is encouraged to find ways to improve their own work process. This is called Kaizen, or continuous improvement. Small, incremental changes suggested by the people actually doing the work, when multiplied across the entire company, lead to massive gains in quality and efficiency. There are no bad ideas. Suggestion boxes aren't just for show. They are actively reviewed, and good ideas are implemented quickly. This culture of engagement ensures that the system is always evolving, always getting better. It also fosters a sense of ownership and pride in every car that rolls off the line. Finally, we reach the end of the line: inspection. But at Toyota, inspection isn't just a final step. It's been happening all along, at every stage. Still, every single car undergoes a rigorous final examination. It's driven onto a test track with various surfaces to check for squeaks, rattles, and performance issues. Every electrical system, from the headlights to the infotainment screen, is tested. High-pressure water booths check for any potential leaks. And a team of expert inspectors goes over the car with a fine-tooth comb, checking panel gaps, paint finish, and interior fit and finish. Only when a car has passed hundreds of these final quality checks is it deemed worthy of the Toyota badge. It's a testament to their promise. If a car isn't perfect, it doesn't leave the factory. So, from the philosophy of the Toyota production system to the sparks of the welding robots and the skilled hands of the assembly team members, this is how a Toyota is born. 2. It's a combination of brilliant engineering, relentless efficiency, and a profound respect for the human element. It's not just about building cars. It's about continuously striving for a better way to do it. The result is more than just a machine that gets you from A to B. It's a product of a culture of excellence, a symbol of reliability you can count on, year after year. The next time you see a Toyota on the road, you'll know the incredible journey of innovation and dedication that went into building it. Thanks so much for watching. You found this look inside Toyota's world fascinating. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. See you in the next one.